RV back here again with another cool video. Go ahead and come up close. What today I'm going to be showing you is how to make cordage out of the Yucca plant here that's located in the southwest part of the United States. It comes in leaves and stalks like this that you cut off, and then you just take a rock and just hit it with the rock lightly to make the fibers and all the natural juices come out. Go ahead and pull them apart like this, right over here. This is what you get, and you can just dampen it with water. And this is actually what I'm making right here, is my own cordage out of the Yucca stock plant. And stay tuned further because I'm going to be making a native basket.